1, 2, 3. Bebop, bebop, bebop. The OK Music app has created revised versions of your music. A revised composition by Oozma Kappa. 1, 2, 3.
The theory of multiple intelligence says that some people are better in different ways, like body kinesthetics or even musically. Howard Gardner came up with this theory, and he says that you need all 8 intelligences.
This is a picture of a jazz musician having an MRI, and he is improvising. Improvising is when you make up as you go, and improvising requires more of your brain than just doing something normally.
This picture is a brain scan of a jazz musician while he is improvising. The blue is part of the lateral prefrontal cortex, and this deals with self-control. The red is part of the part that is active and is part of the medial prefrontal cortex, which deals with self-expression.
This is a picture of a rapper improvising during a magnetic resonance imaging scan.
This is an image of the rapper's brain as he improvises the rap in an MRI machine. As you can see, his prefrontal cortex is being used more than if he just memorized the rap.
On the left is the part of the brain used when you're hearing music. On the right are the parts of the brain used when you're playing music. As you can tell, you use much more of your brain when you're playing music.
The Mozart effect is a theory that when you play classical music for a child at a young age, they will become a better student.
Music is overall very important in learning and education. Studies from colleges around the world have proven that if you play music, you do better in other subjects.
Our research question is, how can we improve the way that someone learns to compose music? We think that if you compose music, you become a better all-around student.
Our solution is an app called OK Music. This app will allow you to create original compositions, and then we'll give you edits for like things that you can change, like an F sharp and a B flat. Then it'll ask you if you want to change the edits to make it better.
This is a template of our app. It's just showing what it will be like. I met up with a person that goes to MIT, and he told us that it is possible to create this app.
On the left is our original song. On the right is the song that we have run through the app. We have improved a few spots on it.
One of the reasons our song is incorrect is because the last note of the song does not fall under the tonic chord. Another reason our song is incorrect is because the articulation of the song does not fit stylistically. Another reason our song is incorrect is because the notes are a second apart, which is incorrect because chords are built on triads. And the last reason our song is incorrect is because part 2 is playing ahead of part 1, so they are faster than part 1.
We believe if it was done professionally, it would cost upward of $10,000, which is what Susan Gordon-Messer told us. She's at the Digital Festival today. But she also said that if we use MIT's App Inventor or Star logo, then the cost would be minimal and it'd be easy to distribute through Android and Apple devices.
The reasons our app is innovative is because our app allows you to write music, record music, and it will tell you things that are wrong with it. GarageBand just allows you to write music and listen to it, and Simulus 5, the program that we wrote our music on, only allows you to write out music and listen to it.
People today are trying to create STEM into STEAM. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. STEAM would be science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math. I wouldn't have been able to create this poster without the arts.
Our team has made has ran into many roadblocks and come up with very good ideas. Our coaches have helped us throughout the season, and each teammate has given each other a hand.
Do you guys have any questions?
Sure.
I'm really interested, what's the algorithm to go from the first, how did you go from the first composition to the corrected one? You pointed out the errors that were picked up. Was this done in an algorithm, or how was this done?
Our music teacher at our school, Mrs. Fenlison, she helped us to write music, and she was telling us things that the ear wants to hear and things that the ear don't want to hear. Is how you classify music as incorrect or correct. So music isn't really correct or incorrect. It's the way what the ear wants to hear.
So I mean, you got to the second one by correcting it manually, is what you're saying?
What we did was we wrote the correct one first,
Ah,
and then we took some things out that we knew the ear wouldn't want to hear to make the incorrect.
Okay, so going to the next step, is there then an algorithm that a machine could do to take the incorrect, the bad ear music and make it?
That's kind of what we want our app to be able to do.
Okay.
That's where you guys need to go and learn about programming, right? To figure out how to do that.
Jasper went up to see Susanna Gordon Messer today, and another guy, Mr. Sheldon, and they were telling him about the coding that would be in the process of it, which you can
Excellent.
Because you have to take the sound inputs and be able to process, put that to a digital form and then figure out really cool ways of problem solving. Right.
Yeah.
Where'd you guys come up with this idea?
It took a long time.
Let's see. I am very, very into music, and 6 of us play in band, and music it's our passion. Like, we love to play. And so
Keep it up. Keep it up.
And so we wanted to do something, since it was about learning how to write music, because not many kids can. And we've all learned how to write music better from this.
And actually,
Yes.
Mrs. Bickford actually asked us if we want to play at the end of the competition today, and we agreed. So we're going to play our song.
Excellent. The correct one.
Yeah. Yeah, the correct one is not so good.
Did you share this app with anybody at your school to see what they thought about
We
it?
shared with the music teachers.
And we also shared at community night. We brought people from the community, and there was some classmates of ours that saw it. And
All the other teams.
Wow.
From our school. Our school.
Yes.
They all.
Dr. Gordon Messer knows about it too.
yeah, and her emails in our binder and the experts.
So you guys put a lot of effort.
So what is the okay?
That's
Who's
Oozma
that?
Kappa, that's our team.
It's from Monsters University.
University.
It's a fraternity.
Oh, I forget.
Yeah, a lot of
Okay,
people ask
music.
that. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I didn't even notice.